Welcome to Champion Trading Corporation. Today we're demonstrating a Mettler Toledo scale. Jim Matthews, I forgot to mention my name. This is a Mettler Toledo. It's an IND 231 portable scale, 24 inches wide by 32 inches long on the table. It's portable. It goes a little longer. It's about 54 inches high. And we're going to test some weights. These are tested, 2.2 kilograms. We're going to zero it out first of all. Okay, and once we do that, so that any kind of vibrations.
How much is your test weight?
It's 2 kilograms.
2 kilos. 2 kilograms?
2 kilograms, 2.2 pounds. 2.2 pounds, so it's 4.4 pounds, right? So that's 4 kilograms. Right on the money. Portable. You can find this on our website at champtrading.com and all different types of scales. If you're looking for used equipment, quality, tested, find it on our website, champtrading.com. Have a great day.